Welcome to today's video on the Internet of Things, what it is, how it works, and why it's quietly reshaping the world around us. So what exactly is the Internet of Things, or IoT? Simply put, it's the network of physical devices, from household appliances to industrial machines, that are connected to the Internet, collecting and sharing data with each other and with us. Think about your smartphone unlocking your front door, your smartwatch tracking your heart rate, or your refrigerator alerting you when you're low on milk. At the core of IoT are three key components. First, sensors and devices that gather real-world data. Second, connectivity, whether that's Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or cellular networks like 5G. And third, data processing, where cloud computing or edge computing turns raw data into meaningful actions. As of 2024, there are over 15 billion connected IoT devices worldwide, and that number is projected to double by 2030. Industries like healthcare, agriculture, manufacturing, and smart cities are heavily investing in IoT to increase efficiency and reduce costs. However, IoT does come with challenges. Security is a major concern. More connected devices means more potential entry points for hackers. Privacy is another issue, as these devices constantly collect personal data. Despite these challenges, IoT remains one of the most transformative technologies of our era, bridging the gap between the physical and digital worlds. Like and subscribe for more videos like this.